Hey guys, today in this video I'll be explaining you about INSHOT Android Video Editor, the best editor I ever used myself. In this video, you'll be learning all the essential and important features about this video editor. So without any delay, let's jump straight into the video. So the first feature of this editor is Canvas. So what actually Canvas is? Well, it is a feature which can help you set different screen ratios according to your need. We have a lot of different screen ratios predefined that we can use in our video while using this editor. Second, we have a music option. With this feature, you can add background music, you can add different audio effects, and you can also do voiceover of your videos with the help of record option. If you want to add stickers and GIF to your videos, you can also do that with the help of stickers feature. There is also a text option that can help you add different styles of text to your video. You can change the color of your text, you can add borders, shadows, and you can even add labels to your text. You can even change the opacity to your text, or you can also change the alignment, the fonts of your text. And one more thing which I want to tell you is that you can put on different transitions to your text as well. The fifth option is filter. In filter, we have three options: effect, filter, and saturation. You can apply different effects to your video according to the need. In addition, you can apply different amazing filters to your video, and you can also do light adjustments with the help of brightness, contrast, and saturation. Picture-in-picture mode. With this feature, you can add pictures and videos over the top of your video. You can also set the duration of your pictures and videos, that how long your pictures, your videos will take to stay over the top of your video. You can also put transitions with the help of edit option as well. With the Precut option, you can trim, cut, and split your videos. First of all, let me explain you a little bit about trim option. So with the trim option, you can select a desired portion of your video that you want to use for your editing. If you talk about the cut option, so the cut option does perform the same operation as the trim option. But if you want to remove or delete the center part of your video from video editing, you can do that with the help of cut option. You can also split your video in multiple clips with the help of split option. With delete option, you can delete a selected video clip or audio clip from the timeline of your editing. Whereas with the background option, you can change the color of your background, you can blur the background, and even you can change the background image of your video. However, you can also do some other stuff with background option. With speed option, you can increase the speed of your video and you can also decrease the speed of your video. With crop option, you can adjust or you can set the aspect ratios of your video according to the need. Whereas if you talk about the volume option, so with the volume option, you can turn up the volume of your video and you can also turn down the volume of your video. And there is also one more feature if you use the volume button. So if when you click on the video and you select the volume option, so in volume option you have an extract audio. When you click on extract audio, so your audio will be separated from your video and you can manipulate that audio with your editing. Last but not the least, voice effects. If you talk about voice effects, so there are a bunch of voice effects in this video editor. You can explore every voice effects and you can use them according to your need. I myself explored them and used them in my different projects and I found them really helpful, and I hope you'll find them helpful too. So these are some most useful features of INSHOT Video Editor. I hope this will help you to work with this video editor. See you in the next video. Bye bye.